I know lots of you do not know yet, but donut is one of the closest things to my heart when it comes to bread because it just brings back a lot of memories. So I'm gonna try to create the donut that my father would make from my childhood. But I was not able to get the recipe from my father, but I would try and find the closest one. So this is my first attempt. This recipe calls for 2.5 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 egg, 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast, and 3/4 cup warm milk. I decided to add some cheese here just in case I don't like it. Maybe the cheese can somehow save it. So I added on just a few. I was really careful at this point because I know the oil is really hot, so I'm keeping my distance just in case. Just be careful with this one.
Makunyak, sinalipong apat, mela ko ulag na.
It's actually not too bad, but it's a little bit far from the taste that I know, my father's recipe, so maybe I'll go try other recipe, but it's quite good.